What is up, my friends and family? I'm charmx, and today I'm going to be reacting to top 98 ultimate fidget spinner challenge video, and this is a compilation of different fidget spinner tricks, I believe, and this video is by top 5 best. Now, I'm not really sure what to expect. I'm kind of familiar with fidget spinners. They're like these weird toys that kids are playing with where you spin them for some reason. I'm not really sure why, but you know, if a kid's playing with that over playing on their iPhone, I much rather them play with something that's, you know, in the real world. Anyway, with that being said, the original link's in the description. Make sure you go subscribe to Top 5 Best. The link's also in the description. Without any further ado, let's begin. Alright, so that's a fidget spinner. Wait, what? See, it looks kind of cool. I kind of want to go get one. How many attempts did that take you? Oh, that's awesome. I don't know why the people on Reddit think these are like really silly and stupid. I mean, if people like playing with it, let them play with it. Like, and that looks cool. Oh, that's awesome!
I want to die.
That's called the popper, by the way, guys.
I didn't expect that. I want to die. Like, what? Dude, that's awesome. I don't know why people hate it. Why is the volume so loud? Oh, that's a top. See, that looks cool. That's not really a trick, you're just holding it. That one looks like a hamburger. See, these look quite awesome. I don't know. That person had to have tried doing that so many times before actually getting it done. Also, side note, did any of you see the Mr. Beast? He's a YouTube channel, and he did a 24-hour live stream of him spinning a fidget spinner non-stop. I was watching some of it yesterday. He looked like one of the guys earlier who said,
I want to die.
The amount of precision it takes, because you have to like grab it right on the middle, otherwise it'll like fail.
Inside lane, missing exits, glued to the pavement. Between the lines, I'll keep my gaze straight.
That's pretty awesome.
As the last stop flies by. No more waiting for the gun to fire. No more walking through revolving doors. I've gone around once, I don't need to go around anymore.
Why are you filming in a room with your mother and your sister? And your mother and your sister are like, I don't know, your mother's like combing your sister's hair in the background, and you're here, you know, doing these tricks. Why don't you go into a different room? What just happened? Stop dwelling on empty words. Stop stalling in the doorway. You can't
So the cruise control, switch it in the manual. Don't you wanna feel right?
I bet he spent all day in his bedroom doing that to get that trick done. That's cool. I mean, he's not really doing tricks, really. He's just kind of like balancing it on a finger. Like, nonetheless, I do like the idea of fidget spinners because it just looks cool. It looks cool. Ah, fail. Oh, that's cool. That was awesome. Why are you in a campground doing this? Oh, that's awesome. It seems like this video is really just a compilation of like 5 different people doing tricks with the fidget spinners and no one else. I guess it's... Well, I mean, it does look like it would be quite hard doing some of them, so, you know, there might only be like a very small amount of people who could actually do tricks with them. Where do people buy these? Online? Oh no, that's pretty awesome. This person's probably a juggler or something. Oh, that's sick. That's sick. It looks awesome. I don't know if it looks like that in real life or, you know, if the way the camera's filming it, since it's limited to like 30 frames per second, that it makes it look like that, but that looks pretty awesome. It's like the same 4 people with doing the tricks. Oh, that's cool. This is kind of like the modern hacky sack. A lot of you kids won't know what a hacky sack is, but it's like a ball, and inside of it's like a bunch of beans, and basically, way back in the day, people would like take them and they'd do this kind of like tricks with them. They'd be kicking them around with their legs. And this kind of reminds me of like a modern hacky sack. Okay, it's over. Anyway, guys, I hope you liked this video. I don't know why people hate these fidget spinners so much, because I know on Reddit there's a lot of hate for it. I don't know why. They honestly look quite cool. Also, if kids enjoy playing with them instead of, you know, going on the computer or whatever, I mean, if you look at some of these tricks, you know, it's exercise essentially. So this is a good thing all around. I don't know why people hate it that much. Anyway, I hope you guys did like this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, possibly share with a friend. If you're new, hit subscribe and join the family today, and also make sure you go subscribe to Top 5 Best. That link's in the description. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Boop!